Hey you guys, what's up? Today I am back with another advent calendar unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Benefit Shake Your Beauty advent calendar. This is a 12-day beauty advent calendar, so I'm going to be opening all of the days in today's video and showing you guys what comes in this advent calendar. So really quickly before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I am doing a huge giveaway right now that's going to be ending very soon, so I'll have it linked in my description box below if you guys want to go and enter that. And then also make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is the Benefit Cosmetics Shake Your Beauty Advent Calendar. The price of this is $65. It says it has a $139 value. There are 12 days in this Advent calendar. It says it has their best-selling and fan favorite beauty treats. So right off the bat, I do feel like the price of this Advent calendar is pretty high because it is only a 12-day advent calendar, whereas the last one that I opened was the Macy's one, and that had 25 days. And so this one is $65 for 12 days. The Macy's one is 25 days, and I believe the retail price of that one is $99, but they always have coupon codes, so I'm pretty sure I paid like $85 for that one. So I feel like for $20 more, you're getting like a bunch of extra days, but let's see what's in this one. This one might have better things in it. I don't know. So let's go ahead and start with day one. All right, so the first thing is this little baby size of the Benefit Hula Bronzer. Wow, this is really small. I don't think I've ever seen like a little sample size this small. But the first thing is the Benefit Hula Bronzer, and I actually love this bronzer. I believe this is just like the original one because there are, I think, 3 versions of this bronzer. I believe there's like a light, and then this is like the original, and then there's like a deeper version. I'm almost positive this is just the original Hula Bronzer. It's in that packaging. I think they have different color packaging depending on the shade. But this is exciting to get. I just wish it wasn't so tiny. I'll probably put a lot of these things, whatever they are, in giveaways because I literally have every single product that Benefit has ever made because I am on their PR list, so I have a lot of their stuff already. But I do think that the Hula Bronzer is exciting to get in the advent calendar, but this is really small. All right, moving on to day 2. So we have the Benefit Their Real Mascara. I'm not really a big fan of this mascara. I much prefer their Roller Lash or Bad Gal Bang. This is once again a mini size. And let's see, how much is in here? This is 0.1 ounces. This is just like a standard mini size mascara. It has a nice rubber wand. It's pretty big. I don't know, I've just never really been into this mascara, I guess, because I always use their other ones. But a mascara sample is always good. All right, day 3. In day 3, we have my favorite brow pencil. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade 3, which is actually the shade that I use. So this is a sample size once again because there is no spoolie on the end. On the full size, it is a little bit longer, and there is a spoolie on one side. It's just a really thin, fine tip brow pencil. I love this one. So I'm actually excited that this is in here. The size is not too bad, but it would have been nice to put the full size brow pencil in here. And the problem with the brow products, in an advent calendar, is that this shade is not going to match everyone. So I feel like if you're blonde and maybe a little bit darker of hair than mine, you could get away with this, but this is definitely not a universal brow shade. So it's kind of tricky putting brow products in an advent calendar, at least brow pencils and things like that. But I do like day 3, so this is a good one. This is definitely the best one so far, I think. All right, day 4. This is another square shaped one. So we have the little baby size box powder. This is the Benefit Dandelion blush. I actually do own this blush and I really like it. It's just a light peachy pink. There is a little bit of shimmer in here. This is such a small sample. I'm really curious how long this would last somebody. I've never actually seen these little baby size samples like this from them. For some reason, I thought their regular sample size of their box powders were just little mini boxes, but they were still thicker. I don't know, maybe they changed the packaging just for the advent calendar so it fit better in here. But yeah, we have a little mini size blush. I do like these. I think they're nice to get in an advent calendar, but I would have appreciated some full sizes by now, but we're still at mini size items. Okay, day 5. Where is day 5? All right, we have another mini size item. This is the 24-hour brow setter. This is actually my favorite brow gel. This really locks your brows into place. It has a really nice wand on it that really grips your brows I use this every single day, so this is exciting to get, but I wish it was a bigger size once again. I feel like they definitely could have fit like a full size of this in this advent calendar, so I'm really curious why they would just put the mini size. But this has 0.06 fluid ounces in it. It says it's their 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows, and it's an invisible or like clear brow gel. Moving on to day 6. Okay, this is a better size sample. We have the Benefit the Professional Hydrating Primer. I feel like this is a pretty good size sample. It's not really that much smaller than the full size. Like the full size of these are probably only like about this tall, so this is a pretty good size sample. I'm not the biggest fan of the hydrating primer. I much prefer the regular like professional primer compared to this one, but I do feel like this is an exciting thing to get in the advent calendar, especially this is like one of their newer products. That was day 6. Now we're gonna go to day 7. Honestly, these are so hard to get out. So for day 7, we have another mini mascara, and this is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. This is my favorite Benefit mascara. I love the wand on this. It has a nice like curved wand. This really grips onto your lashes really nicely and makes them like super long. And yeah, I wish this was not a mini size. Like I feel like the size of this advent calendar is big enough where they could have fit full-size products in here, especially for $65. Obviously, not all of them would need to be full-size, but at least like 1 or 2. I mean, come on. These are all mini-size products, but I mean, I guess they are good products. So I'm kind of like conflicted with this right now, but I do love this mascara. So I feel like this is good if you just like wanted to try a bunch of their products. I mean, if you already have their stuff, like a bunch of it like I do, this advent calendar would be like so unnecessary. All right, let's move on to day 8. Okay, so I got the mini size of the original Professional Primer. I'm actually wearing this primer today. I love this primer. Let's see, this is their smoothing face primer. It says it minimizes the look of pores, and basically it's just the same thing as this one, but it's not like the hydrating one. This is better for like normal or oily skin, and I do feel like this is a pretty good size sample compared to like how the full size is of this. So those are really good to get. All right, let's move on to day 9. All right, we got another mini size mascara. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I also really like this mascara. It has a nice rubber wand as well. This one is more of like a tapered wand. Kind of starts out thicker and then goes thin. It has really good rubber bristles that really grip onto your lashes. I do really like this mascara, but I prefer the Roller Lash Mascara, but this is good to get, especially if you wanted to like try all of these mascaras before buying the full size. I don't know, I feel like this is a good advent calendar if you really just wanted to try out Benefit's products, like if you didn't really have any of their stuff. So yeah, we got a mini size of the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Moving on to day 10. Okay, we have a mini size of the Benefit Gimme Brow, and this is also in the shade 3, which is good for me because that's my shade, but once again, this is not going to match a lot of people. So basically, this is just like a brow gel. It says it's their brow volumizing fiber gel. It has like little fibers that look like brow hairs. It has like this little tiny wand. You just brush it through your brows. You can use this like by itself, or you could use it like over a brow pencil to like fill in your brows. So yeah, this is a mini size, but honestly, the full size of the Gimme Brow is really not that much bigger than this. So this is a pretty good size sample. So that was day 10. Now moving on to day 11, we have, okay, this is actually a product that I don't think I've ever tried. This is their Real Tinted Primer. This is a mink brown tinted lash primer. So I didn't even know that they had this product, but as you guys can see, and maybe you can't see, but it's a like dark brown lash primer. It has the same wand as like their Real mascara wand, so I'm probably gonna have to try this out. So I'm actually excited about this, but once again, we have another mini size product. So we are now at day 12. This is the last thing in here. Okay, I'm actually kind of excited about this. This is the Roller Liner, and this is just a felt tip liquid eyeliner, and I honestly don't think that I own this or that I've ever tried it, so this is actually exciting, and I love the packaging. Like, how cute is this? It looks just like the full size of the Roller Lash Mascara, and it has a nice fine tip wand. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this on the hand. Oh yeah, that's like super black and pigmented. I'm definitely going to have to try this out. I hope that this dries down like as a matte liquid liner. I really prefer a matte liner versus like a glossy liner. So yeah, that is everything that comes in this advent calendar. Honestly, for $65, I don't really feel like this is like worth $65. Just like looking at what came in here, I mean, all it is just like a bunch of like sample size stuff. Like, I really wish there was at least like 1 or 2 full-size items in here. So I do love the packaging of the advent calendar. I think it's cute. I love the way that it opens up. I think it's adorable, and I just feel like they could have fit like bigger items in here. Like, I feel like they definitely could have fit like full-size makeup items in here. I think it would have been nice if one of these little powders was either one of the bigger mini sizes or a full size powder. I also feel like they could have done like a full size brow gel or one full size mascara, or even like one of the primers could have been full size. So I don't know, I just don't like that everything was like mini. Some of the samples though that are mini are like pretty decent sizes. But for a $65 advent calendar, I feel like there definitely should have been full-size items in here, especially whenever I got the Macy's 25 Days of Beauty advent calendar, and there were a couple of full-size makeup items in there, like the Galactic liner was full-size, the Tarte, it was like a lip crayon, and then also we got a full-size of the Stila like Glitter and Glow or Shimmer and Glow like liquid eyeshadow. There were like multiple full-size items in there, and for only like a $20 difference in price, like with the coupon on Macy's, I feel like we should have gotten like a full-size item in here. But I do feel like they did include like a lot of their really good items in here. Like, I love the Hoola bronzer, so that was good to get. The brow gel is definitely one of my favorite products by them. I love their brow pencil, but unfortunately this is not going to match everyone. I'm actually really excited to try the eyeliner, and then I thought that the primers were really good to get as well. So I feel like while the items were like good in this advent calendar, the mini sizes just aren't really worth it for $65, at least in my opinion. So yeah, that is really it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think of this advent calendar in the comments down below. I much prefer the Macy's advent calendar, even though that one was more like skincare heavy. But yeah, I do like this one, but I just wish everything wasn't so like mini for the price. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If there are any other advent calendars that you guys want me to unbox, let me know in the comments down below. And please make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And I would also really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys check out that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. That's going to be ending here in a couple of days, so make sure you guys enter that. And also make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you will receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.